Whew, well, we made it back. What a day on the mountain. Probably my favorite, most exciting day around bikes ever. The descent was mayhem. Picture 10,000 people descending a mountain at the same time on a small road. Bikes, pedestrians, cars, dogs, helicopters, four-wheelers, you name it. So it was crazy. We only had one crash in our group. Corrado, my friend, crashed, ran into a car. He ran into a car, but he is okay. I came out with a bum tire and a broken chain, which happened about, a kilometer from home, thankfully, so I limped back. But all in all, just a special day, really special day. I learned a lot, and the Giro d'Italia is a one-of-a-kind. Thanks for tuning in. This has been amazing. Giro d'Italia 2010. We'll see you soon, very soon.